Ceiling installation. First, fit the wooden frame at the roof in advance. Then use the electric drill and screw are fixed to the wooden frame by the edge of the panel. Then use a chainsaw to intercept the length of the panel to ensure accurate size while cutting. At the same time, to use tongue and groove for seamless connections between panel and panel. Local edges can be pruned with a knife. The shape of the panel will be more beautiful and convenient if cut as the specific construction situation. Cut the ceiling profile as required length, and it has a 10 mm width slot. Easy to insert the panel, make it more fashion.